Hey there, and welcome the green sector. Today we are going to talk about the hot topic on everyone's minds. Is solar energy still worth using in 2023 and beyond? Well, I'll give you a hint. It's not like we have any other options left. I mean, we pretty much fried the planet with fossil fuels, so we might as well give solar a shot. Plus, it's not like the sun is going anywhere. It's been around for billions of years and it's showing no signs of slowing down. Talk about reliable. But seriously, solar energy is definitely worth considering as a source of electricity in 2023 and beyond. And I'll tell you why. First of all, solar energy is clean and renewable. It doesn't produce any emissions or contribute to climate change. In fact, it's basically like a little green halo hovering above your house, silently judging you every time you leave the lights on. But hey, at least you can feel good about not contributing to the destruction of the planet, right? Second, the cost of solar energy has been steadily decreasing over the years, making it more affordable for the average consumer. In many areas, it's now competitive with traditional energy sources, which is pretty impressive considering traditional energy sources are basically just fire. And we all know how cheap fire is these days. Third, solar energy is becoming more and more efficient. Advances in solar panel technology have resulted in panels that are able to produce more electricity with fewer panels. It's like magic, but with science. And who doesn't love a little bit of magic and science mixed together? Fourth, solar energy has become more reliable over the years, with advances in storage technology allowing excess solar energy to be stored for use when the sun isn't shining. Which, let's be real, is pretty much all the time in some parts of the country. But don't worry, with solar energy storage, you'll never have to suffer through a power outage again. And finally, solar energy has strong government support, with many states and countries offering incentives for individuals and businesses to switch to solar. It's like they're saying, hey, we made a huge mistake with fossil fuels. Can you please forgive us by switching to solar? And let's be honest, who doesn't love a little apology gift? So there you have it, folks. Solar energy is definitely worth considering in 2023 and beyond. It's clean, renewable, cost-effective, efficient, reliable, and supported by the government. Plus, it's pretty much our only hope at this point. So if you're thinking about making the switch to solar energy, now is the time to do it. Don't let the sun set on your opportunity to go solar.